Welcome to Be Creative Stamping's live open house video. We will be with you live throughout the day. Let's first check out our In Colors display. Would you like to be live on your video?
Yeah. Oh, I need John. Hey everybody, welcome to Be Creative Stamping Open House. Today we're launching a brand new catalog, the 2018-19 catalog. And everyone is starting to arrive, and it's just going to be a great day. Everybody's going to see the new book.
Awesome. And so over here we have Tranquil Textures, Rooted in Nature, Sea of Texture. And then we go into Nature's Poem Suite. And here's some card ideas for you. And then we have Stitched All Around. Followed by Share What You Love. What beautiful designer paper we have. And of course, our favorite Big Shot dies. We can't live without these. All right, now let me take you around to the other half of our displays. Quick walk here. And this is some of my absolute favorite designer paper, Garden Impression. It's catalog pages 128, 130. Don't forget your new catalog. And here's some cards with it. It just looks like a painting. It's so beautiful. And here are all the different paper types we have. If you love your flowers, this is definitely the paper for you. The color is just absolutely stunning. And here's some more card examples. All right, and now we're going to go to Detailed with Love. This is a bundle. We're using the new In Colors with these cards, and they are just stunning, so vibrant, so pretty. And now we're going to go to the Varied Vases bundle. Again, if you love your florals, this is for you. How adorable are these little tag cards? And there is the stamp set for it. And here's also the Enjoy Life stamp set. And again, the new In Color table. Here are the different patterns they have. Those are your pens, your Stampin' Right pens. And of course, these adorable octopus cards. we hope you all can come and join us today. All right, let's go meet the team. So another quick walk over. We have a special Stampin' Up guest. We are Facebook Live. Would you be able to do a demonstration for us?
Oh my gosh, don't ask me to do that.
This is Martha.
I have never done Facebook Live.
It's just a video. You're just talking to me. And we have
doing that now?
You want to?
No. I'm trying something.
You're trying something? All right. We'll come back. We'll come back and see Martha later.
Yes, he's standing right over there, so introduce yourself.
And of course, the Queen Bee herself. All right, we will be back a little later with some live demonstrations.
A successful open house.